I hope you will take it. The moment you come to the dais, never say good morning, good afternoon. We know what is it going on now. Okay? Directly come, say who are you representing, and then put your facts and the issues with your submissions, case law, and the prayers. No need of addressing us, nothing. We are not your friends. So remember that whenever you all come to the moot court, this language it carries marks here. So your presentation, don't try to be friendly with us. Right? There should be a distance, a gap between the bar and the bench.
First of all, nobody answered on jurisdiction.
Yes.
First one, you should say why are you approaching this court in which article? I was afraid.
I had got you clear notice, but you were still reading all the question. You couldn't arrive at that point. I said
It happened.
it happens. You are studying, but jurisdiction is very important because once you fail to establish the jurisdiction, the rest of matters are always they lose the matter. Because for want of jurisdiction, and if I don't have the jurisdiction as a judge, if I pass the order, that was bad in mind. So first, jurisdiction is very important.
So you did mention it, rating question. You don't make it correct part. They should have rated question that this court doesn't have jurisdiction right. Second thing is when it's so good, when have a flow of argument. When you ask judge, please refer to page number 10, page number 8, page number 16, after 10 is just
Searching.
You should not have it. You should have when you're making memorial, go back to the argument in sequence is very easy for him. Looking for here and there.
And give us time. See, you're learning, you should give us time. Have you understood the request persuasiveness? Has your honor got it? It's on page so and so, it's on para so and so. Now may I read it? See, these are the things which will allow us to be with you. We are searching, we have started also, my God. Then you have, by the time I could find out, you again started another chapter. I was searching here, you started, I am reading that page. Where to search? I should read this or search that. So I am not with you. So you should understand, give us also time, we also human being. We want to do justice with you, but let us also understand what exactly you want.
Because you know what your speech, first speech was very good, but I was still looking into where you mentioned that. Because you were referring to points which you had made. There was no point in memorial. So after that, I was just looking to
Okay, yeah, it was not mentioned.
You can read only what you have mentioned in memorial. You cannot go outside that. Things which you have not mentioned, you are not allowed.
This is supposed to be your written argument. So this has to be restricted. See, any citations, apart from this you want to rely on, you have to seek the court's permission for citation only, but not other submissions. Replying that is there because both the facts are before us. Or else if you are reading out of the context, we are searching. So you should tell us that it is not here, which again you have to restrict yourself, you are not allowed.
When you are referring to case laws, you know that you can have a of court lordship, a similar judgment has been passed for it. Try to be the informal, you can start reading. Like, don't just start reading the ratio. When you say your lordship is an infinite time, you know, in that case, this was there. Then you can another similar case, this was there.
Only the relevant fact which is applicable in your present case. We will not read the whole citation. No judges will read. We can give 10 to 100 citations. Relevant portion in para so and so, this is stated which is squarely in my facts before this court. So I will refer that because I am the supreme authority here. I am not going to sit and read the whole citation. Moreover, when I am coming to the government leader, when I am asking for alternate, you said apart from cleaning, what does the government can do? You are imposing, burdening them. But apart from that, what initiative is taken? Have you done anything to clean the environment? Clean the environment by purifying the water. See, it is used for drinking also in your this is written. For drinking purpose, you can recycle the water, for which again a plant needs to be set up. Infrastructure. So you are only cleaning and you are imposing taxes. Don't do this, don't do this. What initiative? So you should do your homework better. There are alternate things, though they have not raised these issues. But it could have easily been dealt with by the government. I was telling time and again, apart from cleaning, what you are doing. No, we are cleaning, it will take such a big stretch, it will take number of years, by that time the pollution will again start. After 20 years, again you come back from the base, again start cleaning. So you should think of alternate measures, because that time the spur of the moment you will reply. So if you have the things before you, it will be easy. If it is not, it will keep quiet. If not, raise that, will create an extra this impression.
4 years, the main target was clusters. We are not even touched the clusters.
We have studied Indian jurisprudence, so those who are still studying or in the second year, third year, whatever it is, you know when the custom clashes with law, it is always the custom which will prevail. Because for custom the law has been made, not for the law the custom. Custom was in existence for years together, and to systemize it, the law came into position. So it is always the custom will prevail. You cannot overrule this. So you have to try ways and means so that their rituals can be conducted. Just by stopping or banning them, you are not achieving anything in the government. Understand? So when you search, when it is touching the sentiments of the people, you will see the court also goes soft. They try to find a parallel view without hurting the sentiments of the people. Example, the Babri Masjid issue. The parallel view was taken without hurting any of the sects. So such options are there with the government. They should do their homework better while representing. And why this was filed in the Supreme Court also. The Article 32, why they went to the Supreme Court? Because this river, you said it is flowing to many states. When it is covering many states, it's a union in the picture. When the union in the picture, it has to go in the Supreme Court. First you have to establish that point. Let's start. Make your base. See, you can construct any number of floors. If the base is weak, the whole thing will crumble. So make your base strong. So I think you are in the learning stage, you have performed well, but there is a lot to improve.
This point which you got as far as customers concern was good, the point which they got as far as environment was good. But there was no
Elaboration. We wanted the elaboration. Apart from the ashes, you only stressed the ashes part. What else was there? Apart from the ashes, you need to say you have done an electrification, so everyone should go for that. You think everyone you can afford? Everyone can afford that much money? India is a poor country. So then everyone cannot. So then what are the other options? Then apart from your pollution, there are other things also. Have that taken care of. Because you want your side to be taken up. Now your this petition should be taken and this order should be passed in your favor. So what should be the compelling circumstances in which the court can grant you the relief? That should be solved.
So whenever you are fighting a case against government in interpretation of media, the court is always sort of biased toward the government. Because they say law government is making this right. So it is the duty of the petitioner to prove that this arbitrary, it is right to the extent it is arbitrary. You are very strong, you come up with some alternative remedies. You could suggest that you are not that I mean about some area where the asking children can be. See, we can always have some alternative remedy. So we get the genetic of area.
There is an option which can be looked into. So the government can, the court can give appropriate direction to the government. Why don't you go for this option which has been brought up? So that option, that idea should come from you. Because you are challenging the government which is a strong party.
But the court thinks that the government never makes any
Any mistake.
law in making law. So that we have to do this is makes a further any changes because what you are challenging is just a scheme, so you are not challenging the whole order. As far as environmental regulations that is going on. So what you are saying that you are just challenging a scheme certain order which has been passed because the committee report was on industrialization and orange. Whether the committee has taken into consideration a scheme certain or not, that we should look into. And the other thing is that for 3 years, now whether the committee is going to come up with the next report or whether this will resolve that to make an alternative remedy or kind of stay on the scheme that is followed. Allow people to come up, allow people to ask things and let the government come out with a new report.
Or instead of that river, alternate river, why don't we have an artificial lake? You could have suggested to the government.
In
Garbati, we have artificial lake for the immersion. So this idea should come up. It is your idea based on which the court is going to. The court on its own does not grant any relief unless and until sought it or asked for, begged for. So we will not give you any relief unless and until you ask us for. So you have to beg. So put in that in the mind.
This should be the last point. Like these are the alternative remedies which we have got. Artificial river or specific area, right, which should be taken into place, and that water is flowing. Treatment should be there on that. So the water, season is that the water is treated and still the new whatever is going for. So even public sentiments are not got and water limitations are also not. So this all we are just suggesting these pointers. This we are not going to do negative marking on our
Negative markings are there. Don't worry. This will help you all.
These are the points we have so we are just suggesting. If you are doing this one point now, you are just you have done research and this is I limited, I know you are limited. This is public interest. Asli Sajan, last number of people will come for Asli Sajan. We should have a mutual play where both the interest party interest is taken care. So this has the judge will even feel like, okay, see, not only financial, but you also find some alternative remedies. So that gives some benefit point arguing towards you. Okay, so these are points that we for
Next,
next
you could have done your homework where in the population also. In India, so many ways. Not only India, even abroad people are coming. So many people are being affected because they are being deprived.
The work is flowing from the north. The people from India, 25 million is the population. Let us assume 40% are Hindus.
You should assume.
No, example, she can just assume. But it's okay, like 20%.
Assume the
5 million
things.
is that. But the next statement, people from Hindus from all over the world are coming here. That can be huge.
You put your own estimation.
When
No one is going to sit with that to count each and every
they
head.
don't say that this is a Hindu Rashtra. They say that even if you assume that 20% are Hindus, but the people, Hindus from all over the world are also coming here.
So then, it is adding to it.
You can also say that see, people of Asli Visurgin, people are coming, even though that is
How the government is benefiting.
benefiting, yeah. Because
Tourism.
tourism is accepted. People
See,
are coming here,
think
staying here.
from wide aspects. Limited scope is given to you. We want you to think. If we give you everything, spoon feeding will do, then what is the use? Correct?
If you want tourism point of view, if you stop this and go somewhere, 70 people are getting unemployed. The case of which they have referred are mostly against the companies. Because there is no specific against the whole custom. That only your most okay. There are the matter was environment versus custom. Both had a very strong point of view. Both had judgments for supporting their cases. Custom have case for environment as case for. Right now it is like the environment is being very mutated. But custom also strong. You can't just bring any custom which are against human body, like sati, that should be banned.
Abolished.
This is not. This is already. This is wish of a person who has died his wish. When he makes a will, the court is as per that will, we are passing that give the property to the person who has given that vested that. But so if he is giving that I want my seats to get this river lake, that should not be followed.
Because when he can give his property after his death, as per his wishes, why not his wishes be fulfilled? Of those ashes being submerged in that particular water. So that would have been enough.
So we have not taken all this and you have missed this or point, but we are just suggesting that
Exactly right, Mr. Sadi. You wanted it to be expanded. None of you all have touched all these things.
information and you go, we just why are we like what are things like
Don't limit yourself to what is given. Go to other things also which are not here, hidden facts, which you can come up with ideas from you.
But by getting these facts now you are taking other person side also a point off. Even though I don't follow that point. Tourism point government would say the environment, but they follow tourism. People are getting cut. Even they would have okay, now what comes at this point. So
And
this
then
point
the other side is saying here to note down the points which you will have to answer. See, now we have to tell you. I want to see. You must have agreed with my this learned friend. He has said, my colleague has said that this. I want you to elaborate on this citation. He wanted you to say on your own. The citation referred to by the respondent does not hold good as far as this matter is concerned for the following reason. What it? We have to seek for clarification. We are not able to ask you anything. It should come from your own. And if you don't admit or if you don't say anything regarding that, it is presumed that you have admitted it. It is applicable to your present case. So you have to always rebut it. And if you don't know anything, just say the facts and circumstances of that case is not applicable